Hey everybody, this is Sherry from the HU Crafty Club. We are now going to work on a marbled ring or trinket dish, okay? So grab whatever colors of polymer clay you want, grab your craft mat, grab your craft knife, grab the roller, and let's go. Let's get started. All right, y'all, so I'm conditioning my clay, and look at my hands, y'all. Don't worry, when I wash my hands, it did come off with some soap and water. I also threw in a little bit of a sugar scrub that I had, and that really helped get all the clay off my hands. So anyway, I am conditioning the clay right now, and once the clay is conditioned, we're going to go ahead and marble it. So I'm going to roll each color that I'm using, I'm going to roll it out into a snake. I'm now going to put all the pieces together and I'm going to roll it into one big snake. And then I'm going to fold it in half and twist. After I do that, I'm going to smush it into a ball and I'm going to roll it out into a snake again. And I'm going to repeat this process several times until I feel really good about how it looks. Now I'm going to smush it down and I'm going to try to shape it into something that's round because I want my trinket tray to be round. So I'm going to just mold it with my hands and now I'm going to roll it out. When I roll it out, I'm going to make sure that I start from the center and I'm going to try to go to every edge and try to maintain that round shape. So now you're going to grab your template. I didn't have my template with me, so I'm just going to use this ribbon roll. So basically you're going to put your template on and make sure that you check the size. Once the sizing is good, you put your template down and then you just go around the template with your craft knife. And that will cut out the round shape for you. So now you can just peel the outer edge of that clay away. If it's stuck to your table or your craft mat, then you may need to use the craft knife to lift it up. Check out both sides because when you marble, both sides look different and unique. Use your fingers, your clay knife, or toothpicks to smooth out the edges. And you can put the excess clay to the side and use that for a different project. So now I'm going to just grab my metal ring and I'm going to set my metal ring underneath of my clay. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to push down in the center because I want this dish to just have a slight bend to it. So when I bake it, it'll come out slightly rounded. One last smoothing of my edges, and then this is ready to bake. Yay! So you made your marbled trinket tray. I hope you like it. I bet you it looks really awesome. So there's a couple things that I just wanted to mention now that you're finished. You're going to go ahead and you're going to bake your tray based on the instructions that's on your project cards. Now, after you bake your tray and it has completely cooled down, there's two cool things that you can do. The first one is that you can take the gold acrylic paint pen and you can go around the edges of your tray to just give it a little pizzazz. The second thing that you can do is you can use that little bottle of glaze that we provided. Just put a little bit of glaze on your dish and then rub it all around, and you're going to let that dry for 24 hours. Once it's dry for 24 hours, it should be completely cured at that point. So it'll give you a nice gloss. So I hope you enjoyed making trays. I know I've already made 4 more since making this video, and I'm gonna be making several more for an upcoming craft show that I have. So anyway, I hope you had a good time making these trays, and happy crafting.